You smell that? Of course not. You're watching from your phone or computer. But if you were here, you'd smell the wonderful aroma of people all around me growing glorious plants. And me? I've got the best job in the world, delivering the GrowBox and making people happy every day.
Yo, Herb.
What's up, Mary?
Is that my GrowBox?
Yup.
Dope.
Later, skater. Look, I get it. Up until now, you've had to drive to some store to buy the flowers you want, and you're ready to dispense with all that trouble. You bought some seeds to grow your own, but you don't know what to do next. Thanks to GrowBox, you can now grow flowers so high quality, you're gonna be smiling every time. Sup, Jay? Sup, bud?
What's going on, Herb? Yo, you gotta swing by and see my flower when it blooms. Sexiest batch yet.
Oh, I'll be there. Everybody wants to smell a flower or two after a long day now and then.
4:19, you're early, Herb.
Hey, Mr. Green, working from home today?
Yeah, just gotta hash out a few things before the big meeting tomorrow.
Miss Mohaski's a customer, and now she's got the best buds in town.
Oh, hi, Herb. Don't forget to stop by before you leave. I just baked some brownies
Oh, yes, ma'am.
and cookies
All right.
and gummy bears and popcorn.
Okay, Mrs. Mohaski, that's what I'm talking about. Happy folks getting high. The GrowBox team of experts is always standing by to answer questions and provide advice. It's truly a joint effort. It's so easy anybody can do it. Even this guy can't screw it up. And you can do it too, because GrowBox Club is here to help. So come on, let's grow together.